Okay. So what we have created, we have to go for MM01 material creation, industry sector.
three slab.
Industry sector was three, Chandra industry and material type.
RZBR ಎಂದು
That's this one.
ಹ್ಮ್
Okay. So click enter. Basic data, purchasing data, general plan storage data, and accounting one. Organization level plant was
JPR1
JPR, JPR1,
JP
JPR1,
ಹ್ಮ್
and the storage location was 1000. Click enter. So this is iron rod 1.5. Okay. Unit of measurement is let into kg. Metal group was
जो JBR
JWR. Okay. So then click enter. Purchasing group
JBR
JBR. Click enter. Enter. Valuation class 3000 and each quantity having it is on per kg is 200 rupees. Enter. Click on yes. The material is created, right? So this way you have to create the material, right? Then this is the material number. Right. So let example, I want to change some fields in the material master, right? How to do the change? MM02, put the material number, right? If you don't know the material number, from here you can find out your material, right? So you know the material type, right? So accordingly material type you can search, right? So otherwise here there are different options by which you can search your material master, right? So as per the class, as per the material category, right? Whatever the thing you know,
ऐसा थ्री थी बस ये जो नंबर है
which one?
जो शॉर्ट्स करिया एडा जो
Depending upon different here, we are putting the material type. So as per the material type, we can search like what are the materials exist in my system, right? So accordingly, so let us this material we have created now, right? So click enter. Then which data you want to modify or change? Let us I just want to change the purchasing data and basic data. So go for the organization level, plant is in JBR1, click enter. So here whatever the thing you want to change, you can change. Let us say inside of this name, I just remove CC, right? I just put this one, right? So then click enter. Then in purchasing data, if you want to add something, you can add that part also, right? So click enter, click on save. So this way you can change. If you want to display, similarly MM03, click enter. Which data you want to display, right? So accordingly you have to select. Let example, I want to just display the basic data. So click continue. So this way you can display the data, right? So let example, you have created a material master. How you will know what is the material type you have taken, right? Just click here. If you come to the material master, there is option I, right? Information of the material. So here you will get the details. What is the industry sector? What is the material type you have taken, right? When the material was created, right? And which user have created the material master, right? So you can get the all the information you get in the material master, right? So then let example, we make some changes. We just want to know like what are the fields we have changed, right? So how to do that? There is a T code MM04, MM04. In MM04, you can search what are the fields you have changed. Click on execute. So here we have changed the field. So just select this one, then click on continue. So you will find here what are the field which we did the change. We did not change anything, I think, right? So here you can know like what are the fields you have changed, right? With MM04. Next, there will be some other T code.
pricing
If you want to change the price of the material, price change. The T code will be MR21. If you want to change the material type, the T code is MMAM. If you want to check the stock check, The T code will MMBE. If you want to check the material list, the T code is MM60. So these are the important T code. One is material type change. Material type change means what? So let example, we have created the material on the raw material category, right? But we want to convert this material number into the finished material type, right? So you can go through the MMAM, right? So if you will go for the MMAM, put here the material number, then put the new material type, right? To which material type you want to convert the material. So just select that material type. And this one, let example, so click enter. So then if you make it execute, then the material type will be changed. So then price change MR21. So in MM02 T code, you cannot change the like price, you cannot change the material type, right? To change the price, you have to come to the MR21 T code.
Medium.
Which one?
J double B R.
Data will be here and plant was
JPR1.
JPR1.
JPR.
JPR1. Click enter. So here put the material number, which material you want to change, right? So put here. So this was the price we have taken for quantity 200 rupees. I just want to make it 500 rupees, let example. Right? So click here, click on save. Got it? So then material list. How to check the material list MM60? I just want to know how many materials are existing in my plant, right? I just remove the material number. I just want to check how many materials are existing. So I just click on execute. So I can find out what are the materials exist in my system, right? So similarly, I have another like plant. Let us there is a plant GPI1. If I search here, execute. So I can find out what are the materials created. Get it? So then material stock check. So in our system, how many stocks are present, right, for a particular material? So put here the material number, right, and how many stocks available. If you click execute, no material can be displayed right now, right, because there will be no stock is available, right? So this way you can do the thing. But yes, the next important topic is regarding the material master, how to make a field mandatory and how to make a field
Option.
optional, right? How to do that? Okay. So let example, I will go for the material creation MM01, right? So right. So click enter. I just create a material by taking the basic data, right? So click on execute. So here we are giving the basic data, base unit of measurement. It is a mandatory field. This one is a mandatory field, right? So I just want to make material group as mandatory, right? Division as mandatory, right? Key any field as like in the hide mode. How I can do that, right? So what you have to do, just go for the material group. Let example, I have to make some changes in the material group. I just click here. Then I have to find out the what is the technical name of the this material group, right? How to find out? So go for the function, control function F1 option, right? So you'll find this way, right? So then go for the technical information, control function F1. In your system, it may be directly F1 option, right? But here control function plus F1, right? You'll find this option. Then here you'll find the technical name. This is the technical field name of the material group. What I will do, I just copy this one. Then go for the SPRO screen. In SPRO screen, what you have to do, just go for the material type once, define the material type once, and then search your material type. So what is material type?
J double B.
BR, this one I think.
No, no,
Which are the material type?
sorry, metal drive chemical.
JVR, which one?
Metal drive pop up with the R JBR.
This one, right?
Mm.
So double click here. So find the field reference key. What is the field reference is used here, right? So only just remain on that one. Then go back. So now what I have to do? So instead of material type, what I have to do? I will go for the field selection. But where I have to go? Field selection within the material master. Go the field selection. So here assign fields to the field selection group. Go for this one. Click on execute. Then find your field name. So already I have copied the field name of like a material group. I just put that one. Just click enter. So this is the material group. I just find out what is the number is assigned with it. So this is the selection group. So here assign 2, right? So see here 135 is a number which is assigned to multiple field, right? 2 is a number which is assigned to a single field, right? So this way there will be different number you can assign to a field. So now I'm back. Then go for the maintain field selection for the data screen. This one. Okay. Click on execute. So then go for the position. Search your screen name, field reference. Our field reference was ROH, right? So click enter. So ROH is here. Then here the number was 2. So put here 2, right? 2 is here, the material group is 2. So see here it was optional for the roh, it was optional. I just want to make it mandatory. Got it? So click on save. But is it done? Right? So now go for a material creation. So similarly, ladies and gentlemen, I want to make some other field, right? And division I want to make mandatory, right? So control function F1. What is the technical name? This one. So copy this one. Then go for the go back, go for the assign field name, search the field name. The field number is 90, right? So go for this one, go for the position. Field reference is ROH, right? And the number is 90, right? 90 for division and make it required. Got it? So now if I'll go for creation a material master, let me go for create a material master. MMGO1. So this one, click enter. So I will take the only basic data. Click on continue. See, metal group and division are mandatory field. Right. So this way you can make the field mandatory and optional.
या डिवीजन में कौन पढ़ते हैं हम?
Sales division we have to create in future. That is a part of the FI actually. Sorry, ST, sales and distribution.
ऐसा कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है कि करते हैं ना?
But see, if you want to change something, you should not do with the ROH field reference because it is the standard people are using, right? So what you can do, you can copy you can create your field reference as well, right? If you want to create your field reference, you can create your own field reference. Get it? So how to create? Let example, we want to create our own field reference. Just go for the ROH, right? ROH field reference, and you can click here copy, right? So you can give the some other name, then you can click on save. Got it? So you can make the changes and all because if you have to make some field mandatory, that means you have to put that one, right? And maybe that field is like preferably used for the FI team, but we don't know how to create the like that field, right? So that's why you should use as per the standard one right now. Okay, so this is the part how to create a make how to make a field mandatory, how to make a field optional. Got it? So now what I will do, so some other changes you can do from the material type. Have to do that, go for the SPRO, SAP reference IMG. So within the logistic general we are creating, go for the material master. So go for the basic setting. So here there are other configuration also available, like define output format of the materials, right? So that means what? Key what will be the material number? You can define from here. With the material number will be 25 character or 18 character. So you can find it here, right? In ECC system, the material length will be maximum 18 character, but in HANA system, the material length will be maximum 40 character, right? So this way you can know, right? So how to know if what is the field meant for, right? So let example there is a field, why this field is like how you want to know, right? So let example this is a field, right? What is the work of this field? Just go for the control function F1, right? So you can find the details of the that field. Okay, what will be the work of that field, right? So let example I will select this field. What is the work of that? Defines the way numerical material numbers are stored in the database. Use it is only possible to set or reset cancel the indicator if no numerical material numbers have been used yet in the system, since they would no longer be. So like what will be that? You have to find out what is the option, right? Here there is a leading zeros. Leading zero means what? So let example we will create a number 100 to 1000, right? So here we have created the metal number length must be 25 character. That means what? So before 100 there will be some zeros will be there, right? So this is called as the leading zero. So this way there will be multiple configurations. Within the field reference already we have gone through the how to create the industry sector and all, right? So this much is the required from like our point of view, right? So you have to practice
So
this
how
much.
do you extend storage location?
Okay, yeah, I forgotten to say that. One is extend material master, extend vendor master. There is a thing, extend material master, extend material master with the T code MM01. What is the extend material master? Let example we have created this material with a particular plant, right? So the material is always created within a plant and a storage location. We want to use same material into a different plant, right? How you can do? So you have to create the same material in the second plant. But when you create a new material in the second plant, there will be a new number will generate, right? But in that case, what we can do, we can extend the material from one plant to another plant. Whatever the material you have created in a plant, right, you can extend that material to the second plant, right? Similar with the business partner as well. Let example we have created a business partner within a company code and purchasing organization, right? So we want to purchase the material from same vendor in a different company code, right? So in that case what you have to do, you have to extend the vendor master to the different company code, right? So how you can do, let me show you the first material master, right? So you have to do in the same T code mm01, in same mm01 you have to extend the material master. How to do? So during creation of the material master we are not giving here anything, we just put the industry sector and material type. But during the extension of the material master you have to put the material number here, which material you want to extend, you have to put the material number here, right? So let example what was the material number,
ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಏಟ
this one.
ಹ್ಞೂ
So let them this metal we want to extend. So what I have to do, I have to put the metal number here, then click on extend, click enter. So then which data you want to extend, you have to select, then click on organization label, then put the second plan, right? So let example I want to extend into MRB1. It is created in JBR1. So I want to extend to MRB1. This is second
JPR2
different plan. Whatever the maybe you can take
R2.
JBR2. JBR2 and the storage location is
But
1000.
one is JPR2.
Okay, if you have to go to one, there will be the error message because it is already created.
Created.
Okay, so it will be
Two.
JBR2. So click enter. So JBR2 does not have this one. The storage location is not exist in the JBR2. Have you created any different storage location?
2000.
Okay, so take it 2000. So it is fine now, right? So here the material is already exist and will be extended. So put here the purchasing group, what you have, and click enter, and click enter. Then you can put the valuation class. Then you can take the moving average price, let example in that like planned it is let example 700 rupees, right? So click enter, click on save. So the material is extended, right? So this way you can extend it to any plan, right? So if you will go for the material list now, MM60, right? So just execute this one. You will find the same material is existing in JBR1 and JBR2. Got it?
Yes.
So similar for the like business partner, you have to extend the business partner in the same T code BP. The same BP T code you can extend, right? So which business partner you want to like extend? Let example. So our business partner was this one. The business partner. Let example. So double click here, right? You want to extend this business partner, right? How to do that? We go for the FLVN00 data. Okay, go for the display change, make for the company code, right? So here, go for the switch company code. So you can put the new company code name here. So that you can create the same vendor, same supplier will be there, but it will be extended to some other one. Got it? One was the storage location extent of the like a material master, right? So let example, our plant having five storage location. In five storage location, we want to use the same material, right? So in that case, you can extend the material into different storage location, right? So the T code is MMSC, MMSC, where you can extend the storage location. MMSC, click enter, put the material number, put here the plant. Our plant was
JPR1.
JPR1, right? So it is created in 1000 storage location. Let example, I want to extend to 2000, right? 2000 is not created. Okay, whatever the storage location you have created, you have to put those storage location here, then click on save. That means same material will be exist into different storage location. Okay, so know this much.